Ooh, that's the curb. Jeez. Climbed it and then jumped off it.
This one started today and it's on tomorrow too. It's supposed to have furniture and vintage windows at it.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Oh, it's in the
2024. This is it.
Yeah.
But it's going to be in the back.
No, 2055.
Well, this is 2024.
I know. So there's another one up there.
Yeah, there is another one right there. This is unscheduled.
Right.
Okay. So let's find a parking space here.
Okay, and then we'll just walk to them?
Yeah. Twofer.
So
got a 2 for 1.
Which one do you want to go to first?
We'll go to the 24 first, the one at the back. Cool.
Yeah, twofer. We haven't been at this one, have we?
Yard.
Yeah, and the garage faced that way.
Oh, no, that's not. I was thinking the...
Hello.
Hello. Lunch smells good.
It's not on yet.
Somebody's cooking some burgers.
She's going to be doing hot dogs.
Chalkboard might be slate even. Monitor stand when the monitors were really big.
Oh yeah. Toolbox.
You know, fishing tackle.
Oh, is that what that is? For tackle?
Oh,
Yeah.
how much is it?
$2.
Wonder if I could resell that.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
You know, take the box.
Did we get that?
I think so.
Okay. There, you're out of the antique business then.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
See ya. Pop this into the truck on the way to the other one.
Yep. I'll unlock it. Okay. I think that's just burning off the whatever's in there.
Oh yeah, you could be right.
It just smells good to you because you know what comes next.
I'll pick 2 up on the way back.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Lock it.
Somebody's moving.
Yep. The house is sold. Oh. So in the backyard, I assume?
Yeah, to the right.
To the right? Oh yeah. Okay. Well, there's some old bikes. Hello. Oh, nice little doors. That's like what we have.
Oh,
that
yeah.
door.
Yeah. You're right. Like the living room.
Yeah. Except for the one.
Yeah.
I'll put that one on instead.
Oh,
if the price is right.
It's too big or...
Yeah. Well, look at these, eh? These are great. There's one for you and one for me.
Yeah. And one to sell.
Yeah. That one's new though. The blue one.
New.
These are really cool though, hey?
I wonder how much they are.
I don't know. Oh yeah, all these old windows. So nice. Oh, it's 40. Oh, look at these little ones. Oh, and look at this. This one's nice too. Nice glass, I like this one. Kind of matches the door.
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, here's some more. This is the kind we have.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's more back here. Oh, free. Well, we're gonna have to bring the truck around probably. I can resell all those probably. The world's smallest pallet.
75 cents.
Yeah, it's cute. How much are your windows?
So these ones are just single. They're $10. The more the designer ones are $20.
Okay.
Negotiable.
All right.
Yeah, and then there's actually we put the broken ones if you're just looking for the frame for free.
We'll probably pick
Yeah,
some
I think
of those
we'll
up, drive the
yeah
truck
bring the
around.
truck around and
Nice.
yeah.
Thanks. That'll be helpful.
Well, thank you. Oh, and your bikes.
Okay. The blue ones 110. The green ones for the pair are 80 each, so it's 160.
Okay.
If they're sold separately, 100.
Okay.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they are super cool.
Yeah.
From here, right? My car is
Yes,
outside.
for sure. Yep.
Thank you.
Thanks, you
guys.
too.
Go. Pop around and grab some of those
Yeah.
free stuff in the alley.
Yep. Yeah. I can't make any money if I have
No.
if I paid. I thought if they were
They're pretty pricey.
$5 each,
I
I would-
It's like $100.
I can't get that. I can't even sell them. We're right here, up here.
Oh, there we are. I'm lost.
Come on, follow me. Okay. Yeah, because any of the windows that I would have been interested in would be $20 each. Except for that little transom one, but
Okay.
okay. We'll just put them in the back,
Yeah.
like in the box.
Okay.
All right, throw some in the box here. You want to unlock it? I don't know why this one's out here. They all are, I think most of them are broken. Okay. Put it on top. Just gonna stack them all. This one might be too
Too far gone.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that one. Oh.
Okay.
That should work, shouldn't it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, it's taking it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that too, and then you get in the shade somewhere, and then I'm cool. So
No. It's one of those days. The temperature's just right on the cusp of. It doesn't know whether it wants to be warm or cold.
yeah. Okay. Don't park for their driveway.
I'm just gonna park here.
Yep.
Or no?
Yep, that works. That's perfect. This one is multifamily and a fundraiser for,
Okay.
I'm not sure what.
Sure. Well, we'll check it out.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it was.
That's pretty.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was. Oh, look at this fun book. I love looking at cookbooks.
I love looking at them, but I find
Then you got to put them somewhere. They don't say bad things
most
about
of
our
my recipes
merchandise. Don't say negative things about our merchandise because we're trying to sell it. This is a beautiful cookbook.
It's a vintage one. It's a freshwater.
Yeah, looks like it. There's that same clasp.
Yeah.
The similar.
Yeah. Are these worth anything or no? Oh.
Yep.
How much? I don't know how much they are though. Whoa. That wind. I think that's silver.
Oh,
Those are,
yeah.
I don't know.
Are they colored?
Yeah.
pearls?
I
They're
think
natural.
I
think they're,
I don't. I think they.
dyed.
Yes.
but they're natural pearls.
Do you think so?
I think so.
Okay. Yeah.
They've
That's
just been dyed.
Okay. Yeah. They're not. I know that's not a natural color for them.
No, it's
but
not. But I think they're freshwater again
Yeah. Okay.
because they're just so non-uniform in shape.
Yes. Okay. Well, I think we've. That is quite the necklace. Wowee. Yeah, not a lot of room in between the tables, huh? What about that light, that lamp?
It's pretty vintage.
Yeah, I could resell that.
$3.
Oh,
Works.
I don't want to pay $3.
Well, what do you want to pay?
I don't know. I think I'm getting tired. Okay. You're the boss. For right now.
Y'all heard it.
Oh, look at these tassels.
Oh, it's glass there?
No. Resin.
Okay.
They're neat though.
Yeah.
They're a little pricey though.
Yeah. It's interesting.
I mean, I'm sure they were like $3 or $4 in the store or some ridiculous thing.
Probably.
Okay. Oh yeah, that and then
And then your jewelry.
yeah, 1, 2, 3 things here. Right? Yeah. So totally fine.
Okay,
I have 1, 2, 3, and then
3, so it's 6. That's cool, isn't it? I didn't even see it here.
one of those, and one of those. Good. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for stopping by.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Okay.
More jewelry.
Yeah.
What is up?
You are just scoring jewelry.
I know. It's great. I know.
Oh boy.
Cops will be like, what's with all those baggies and
Of jewelry.
there's jewelry in them.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right. I see what you're saying, yeah.
I can't take them out because then they'll be like, oh right, there was a necklace in there.
Are you dealing in jewelry?
Yeah, yeah. Maybe.